So we are going to be doing a lesson on place value. It's a little bit of a review, but we're also going to be, we're going to be reviewing place value, but we're also going to be learning about greater than, less than, and equal to symbols and comparing two numbers together and using those symbols, okay? Okay, so our objective is, we are going to be identifying place value of an underlined digit and categorize it into the correct box. And we're also going to be comparing multi-digit whole numbers by using the symbols equal to, greater than, less than, or equal to, okay? So because Halloween is coming up, I decided to do a little Halloween theme. So this is going to be our tens place paper, and we're going to be working together, okay? Our hundreds place paper, and our thousand place paper. So, we have little cards. So let's do one together. So here, actually, let's do this.
To begin with, I practice baseball.
My marker went. Can I borrow your marker really quick? Thank you. Okay. So, let's say we have this number. This is what place value? The ones. This is what? The tens, the hundreds, and the thousands. Bless you. We're just going to be going up to the thousands today for this activity, okay? Okay, so let's use our little cards we have. They're little ghosts. So if I have these two numbers, this number is 593, and this number is 2,107. We'll start with this one. 593. Where does this number belong? We're going to look at the underlined number. I should have told you that first. So we're looking at the underlined digit. It's in the hundred spot. So you can either put it on the sheet or we can put it underneath so you can see. What about this one? 2,107. It's in the thousands. Good. Okay, so I'm going to give you guys each a little pile of your own, and you can go ahead and separate them by yourselves, okay? So go ahead and do that now. Oh yeah.
Try not to ask the reader if they liked your paper. Right? You were just writing a narrative talking about your experience. Okay? So when we did our things, this was in yellow, right? We had this in yellow.
Oh, they're backwards, aren't they? That's probably why. Okay, sorry. I'm looking at it from my point of view. That's why it's confusing. Okay, you guys all put yours down. Okay, so let's look at these really quick. So is this one here or here?
Secondly, we went hiking. And then
So, okay, looking at this one,
all right. So remember,
it's 2,111,000, but the underlined digit is where? On the thousands place. It's under the one for the thousands. Good job. This one is 34,912, and it's under the thousands place. 5,001 on the thousands place. 2,107 on the thousands place. And 6,789. It's in the thousands place. Good job. Okay, let's look at this one. 573. It's in the hundreds place. 1,123. But the underlined digit is in the hundreds place. 593, it's in the hundreds place. And for this one, the underlined digit is 936, and it's in the hundreds place. Good job. Okay, we'll do this one. This one's a little tricky because it goes all the way up to 3,000. So it's 3,881, but the underlined digit's in the where? Tens place. This one, 2,302, and the underlined digit is in the tens place. Even though there's a zero there, it still counts, right? Because it's just the place value. What about this one? 43,175. where's the underlying digit? The tens place. 104, tens place, even though there's a 0. And this one's easy, it's just 10. So what would it be? Tens. Good job. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, we're gonna switch gears a little bit. We're gonna use these little ghosts we have and compare the two numbers. So if we have, I just grabbed these randomly, so I'm not sure if they're close, but this one is 5,001, and this one is 2,107. So I'm gonna put these on my board here, so I can see both of them. Can I borrow your marker again? I'm sorry, I just threw my one. Okay, so I have both of these, and I'm going to try to determine which one is the higher number. So would 5,001 or 2,107 be higher? 5,001. It's a lot bigger than 2,000. So we're going to put the greater than sign, which kind of looks like an open mouth, and that one's going to be facing the biggest number. Okay, so if these were switched, would that still be correct? No. What would we have to do? Switch it around. So the sign would have to be facing the bigger number, right? Okay, and we would read this as 2,107 is less than 5,001. Okay, so should we do one more together? Yeah, okay, let's do these. Okay, so this one is 3,881. And then our second one is, oh wait, that's way off. We'll do this one. 2,302. Which one's the bigger number? Good. 3,881. How would we make our mark? Where would it be facing? This way, because why? Good, it's the bigger number. So it would be read 3,881. Do you want to scoot up a little this way? Is greater than 2,302. Let's say both of these are the same number. Let's say we have 104 on both sides. Would we put a greater than or a less than symbol? We would put an equal to symbol to show they're the same value. Good job. So now I'm going to let you guys pick your own. So just pick 2 random cards and put them on your board. Here's your
They're so interesting. He's coming. So they're still
Okay, so once you have your 2, put them on your board how we did together. You don't have to write it out, you can just put it there, yeah. It's easier. And then you can put your correct symbol. Greater than, less than, or equal to. Do you want to show what you did?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I put them both on the board and then I saw that this 1,000 places has 2.
It does.
This one only has 1.
Right. What's this number?
34,912.
Good. And what's this number?
5,001.
Okay, so 34,000 is way greater than 5,000, right? So that's how you would know. Good job. And I like that you said that there's 2 place values in the thousands place for that one, so you just knew that it was bigger, right? Okay, what did you do? Good. And how did you know that this was the bigger number? Good. So you kind of added or used like subtraction to figure it out what the bigger number was, right? Or addition, I guess, if you went the other way. Good. Okay. What did you do?
2,111,000.
Is she on a break?
1,001.
They're just going to get the kids from the special.
Good. And how did you know this one was bigger?
Sorry.
Because
Yeah, this is,
Good. But look at the
Did you want to
thousands
see
place
this?
value. This is a 1 and this is a 2. How do you know this one's
Yeah.
still bigger?